So today we're going to show you how to do brakes and rotors on a 2008 Ford Escape. So we're going to start on taking these out. So there's a cap right there, just squeezes out. And then it's an Allen wrench, I think. Whatever you want to call it. There she be. Stick that in there. Make sure you're going the right way. And the other side was pretty damn stiff. I had to use a bar. Yeah. It's looking pretty stiff. What I'm gonna do is get in and turn the wheel a bit. Get my bar. Okay. Now you want to grab your pliers and come around here. Grab this bad boy. Now you're gonna want to get something to rest your caliper on. You don't want it to just hang off of the brake line. I like to use a milk crate. Use whatever. Just slide right off. Set it on your bench, your milk crate. This is for your caliper brace, I guess. Is that piece? And you're gonna want to clean right inside here with a wire brush. There we go. Let clean it out. And you're gonna want to hit right in between the studs, right there like that, as many times as it takes. Eventually it'll come off. And it pop just like that. There's the C-clamp right on the outside of the piston, and push in till it stops. And it'll tell you when it's had enough. You have to let the cap off so that that fluid can come back up. So now, I'm going to put our caliper bracket back on. Give them a little tighten. There you go. Now we're ready for pads. It's going to be pretty loose at first until you hit the brakes a bunch of times. Hey buddy! And then, remember that piece you took out? So, my pads come with a new one. If yours doesn't, it doesn't matter. You use your old one. Now, put your tire back on. And have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.